Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help how to study for math's basic, only way. Start by listing the foundational topics you must master and rank them by difficulty. Break study sessions into focused 25 to 50-minute blocks with short breaks. Use practice problems immediately after learning and space reviews across days. Track errors in a separate notebook and revisit them weekly, gradually increasing difficulty as accuracy improves. Create a consistent daily routine that balances learning and practice. Spend 20 to 40 minutes on new ideas, then 20 minutes solving related problems. End each session by reviewing errors and writing one summary sentence for each concept. Use a timer to enforce focus and swap topics every few days to use interleaving. Track progress with simple charts and celebrate small wins to keep motivation steady and positive. If this video helps you, please subscribe and like and share with friends who need a clear plan. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep study snacks spill-free between sessions, which oddly keeps focus higher. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a set. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Work through examples actively by covering steps and recreating solutions from memory. Gradually reduce hints and increase problem variety, aiming for both accuracy and speed. Use spaced repetition for key formulas and typical methods, and rotate topics to build flexible problem solving. Regularly simulate exam conditions with mixed-topic timed sets to build stamina. Keep a running error log and revisit those problems until they become automatic and confidence grows.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.